Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your camera on Discord. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, open up your Discord application, and I've already opened the Discord with my PC. And go to the user settings right here, and then scroll down, and we will find the voice and video setting. Okay, and then the first one is the voice part, and the second one is camera. And you can change your camera right here. You can select which camera you want to use on Discord. And I have two cameras. The first one is this HP Vision HD camera, and then the second one is OBS Virtual Camera. If you have another camera on your device, it will appear right here, and then you can choose it. You can even select the background for your video, and yeah, just like that. Okay guys, and that's how you can change your camera on Discord. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!